Okay, guys, I'm laying here relaxing. It's Friday, about 10:30. I'm having some guest over, a friend of mine that's been living in the USA for over 20 years. Her name is Sharon Dilworth. Please go check her out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And her friend Mario. They're coming for a visit. We are preparing some lamb acne, soup, vegetable soup, a split pea soup, some samosas, pie cheese, half moons, um, sly, and for dessert, it's gonna be rum and raisin ice cream up a cone. I have a lot of help that people helping me make these things, so don't worry, I'm not overdoing it. So ek relax gou 'n bietjie. They're arriving at 11, maar kyk waar lê ek. But ja, ek gaan my gou aantrek. Dan gaan ek in. Yeah, we're busy. Here's the table. I like putting some fruit and some sweeties. There you go. And now this is for the acne. This is the marinated lamb in buttermilk and some masala and salt. Some potatoes, the rice, the dhania, the onions, the salt, the garlic, ginger, masala, turmeric. And in here we have chilies, bay leaves, curry leaves, cardamom pods, star anise, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, dik enig iets vergiet, crushed chilies and some oil.
Oh,
because ik heb gevraagd om split peas op te maken in Amerika. Maar als split peas, ik weet niet wat het is. Als je elkaar gekookt hebt, dan zit die doppies nog altijd niet. Dat je het schoongemaakt water gaat bij. En zoals je het drinkt, dan is het in je keel. Ja. Ja.
oh.
Het is bij je lekker.
Dit is van mijn YouTube video.
Oh. Wat heb je ook gisteren gesê wat sy altyd sê op haar video? Yummy, my tummy.
Yummy. Guys, this is Sharon Dilworth, a very good friend of mine. She's been living for over
27
years in America. Ek het 'n intro gedoen vir die video wat ek gesê het. And this, can it be you, the most handsome guy in the world? Mario, guys. Mario Haupt.
Ja.
Haupt, how do you say?
Mense sê Haupt, maar vir my is dit met die
Haupt.
Ja,
Haupt. Ek dink ook is Haupt.
ja, ek het waar vir die Haupt uit.
And guys, we're serving split pea soup
lekker.
and pie cheese and samosas. Okay, guys, it's the day after tomorrow. My friends that were here yesterday, we had such a wonderful time. We spoke and laughed for hours, and you just get those moments where you don't record anything you want to, but you just forget. You're just having such a good time. And when you are discussing really private, deep things, the last thing you want is the camera to be rolling in certain moments. So we just, without even saying, we just decided not to record. And yeah, it was a wonderful time. And what else? Ek het nou net wakker geskrik. I just woke up and I thought I'd let you guys know, because on Facebook a lot of Sharon's fans and mine followers, they wanted to know where's the video, and I thought I'd just come tell you guys we didn't record. I have one small snippet, and I'll put it in the next clip so you can see what happened. But today we just Johnny's here. He's gonna do the garden. We're gonna cut the grapevine a little bit down and some garden work. Well, I'm gonna do one small thing, not a lot. And John's gonna help me. And then what else am I gonna do today? I was supposed to go to my favorite shop, but there's just something in the air. Everyone's sinuses are messed up. You just put your head out by the door, that's just sick. Then your sinuses explode. So I don't know. Anyways, let me show you what I'm gonna be doing for breakfast. Okay, this is the breakfast I made. It's the almond milk, the steel cut oats, the chia seeds. I've got blueberries, nectarines, strawberries, banana, apple. Yeah, that's it. That's our breakfast. There we go. I'm just waiting for this to soak in a bit more, to swell up, and then we're gonna eat. Lunch will be soup. We still have soup left over from yesterday, so we're gonna have soup for lunch, vegetable soup, and tonight will most likely be veggies, salad, and a nice piece of juicy chicken. Here we go. We're getting ready for our birthday party, which is the 12th of November. We're getting the garden right, the best to our ability. It's been a dry time, so there's some empty patches. That's John.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
And I forgot to show you guys. I just want to show this. Ek loop stadig mense van die hele weet mos, you guys know my foot, ne? And when you hear the slip, I can't help for it. I have a sick foot, a sick left foot. This is this is my friend Chef Wadia. She bought me this olive tree. Oh, and it's just thriving. So beautiful, man. Oh, kyk wie sien Sunny bluffer for John. I'm coming now to the back, ne? I'm coming now. Then we're gonna go play. We wanna play? Yes, okay. We're gonna trim this as well for the party. And we're gonna set up the karaoke here, and Opa's still busy with the table. And there's the lemon coming out. There you, and some more buds. Okay guys, that's my video, catch up video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna relax now. I'm gonna do some writing for my new cookbook. And yes, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys. Enjoy your weekend.